welcome to Easy Life Recipes. Today's recipe is bean sabzi. Firstly, add oil to the pot, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, allow it to splutter, add green chilies, onions, curry leaves, beans. Give a quick mix. Add tomatoes. Cover the lid and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. In between, keep on sauteing. At last, check whether the beans is cooked approximately about 80%. Add salt, chili powder, turmeric powder. Give a quick mix. I feel a bit more chili powder is needed, so I'm adding half a spoon more. Add coconut. Mix well. Coriander leaves. And cover the lid and cook for 3 more minutes on low flame. At last, add a tablespoon of grated coconut for garnishing. Give a mix. And there you go. The bean sabzi is ready. Thank you for stopping by and watching our channel Easy Life Recipes. Please do like, subscribe and share. And always stay happy. Always stay blessed. See ya.